We've all heard the saying, oil and water don't mix. But unfortunately, in some critical industrial applications, they do. In steam turbine lube oils, for instance, there is a high likelihood of water ingression because steam is literally used to drive these turbines. Now, when that water gets into a lube oil, an emulsion can form, and these emulsions are ultrafine suspensions of water droplets that are distributed evenly throughout the oil. Now, typically, when an oil is in good condition, these emulsions revert to their separate oil and water layers quite quickly. When oils degrade over time, however, these emulsions can become long-lived or stable, and this is potentially harmful because these emulsions do not have the lubricating abilities or load-carrying capacity that is required at a critical component like a bearing. Now, if your fluid is prone to forming stable emulsions, you need to understand why so that you can take appropriate action to address this problem. As it turns out, oil breakdown is the root cause of stable emulsion formation. Indeed, as oils degrade naturally as a function of their surface, oil breakdown products like acids and varnish accumulate. And on a molecular level, these breakdown products are polar, just like water. So they interact very favorably with water, and this is what's responsible for the stability of the emulsions that can form from degraded oils. So if you want to address your oil's propensity to form harmful, long-lived emulsions, you need to remove these oil breakdown products. And ICB ion exchange resins are the best way to do so. By removing these oil breakdown products, you can restore your oil to a like-new state so that it separates from water like it did when it was new.